guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is question and answer video. And this video is more about the questions that we are always receiving on our channel or Facebook page. And the question that we will be talking about today is, can I replace my modem router provided to me by my internet service provider? Okay, short answer is no. Okay, see you next time, next video. Okay, just kidding. I think this question came from people who are having issues with their internet connection, like maybe slow internet, drop connection, maybe weak signal strength or weak connection. And I think there's a lot more of issues while they are looking for an option to replace their modem router. Okay, let us try to understand what is really happening here. When you apply for an internet subscription from your internet service provider, like for Globe, PLDT, Smart, Converge, and maybe there's a lot more, they will provide you with a device in your house. And this device is sometimes called a router. And let us try to clear things up. This is not just a router. It is a modem Wi-Fi router. And it is actually an all-in-one. It is a modem, it has Wi-Fi capability, router capability, and switch capability. But for short, let us try to call it modem router for now. Okay, the thing that actually lets you connect to the internet is the modem capability of this device. Okay, while the Wi-Fi capability is the one responsible for your Wi-Fi connected devices like your mobile phone, tablet, laptop, desktop, connect to this device, Wi-Fi capability. While the switch capability are the LAN ports at the back of this modem router, where you can actually plug a LAN cable and connect it to your laptop, desktop, TV, and maybe other things as well. While the router is the one handling all the routes and making your devices talk to one another or maybe talk to the internet. And I think that is really clear explanation. Okay, so basically the routers that we are always reviewing on this channel, or the one commonly available in computer stores, like just the AX53U, the Tenda AC23, the TP-Link AX23, the top AX3000. Those are just Wi-Fi router. They don't have modem capability, so you can't replace those modem router with those Wi-Fi router. You won't be able to access the internet. Okay, now I think some might disagree because actually, you can buy a modem router online, maybe on Facebook Marketplace, and just replace the modem router with another modem router. Okay, this is just my experience. For PLDT DSL, I was able to replace the modem router with a Totolink ADSL modem router. And it works. But guys, that was more than 9 years ago. I'm not sure if it will have the same configuration today, but it just works. Okay. Let us try to talk about fiber modem router because most internet service provider nowadays are providing fiber connection. Okay, let's try to talk about Converge specifically because I really can't talk with other internet service provider because I don't have any internet subscription from them. And maybe it will apply the same rules or configuration. I'm not sure. Who knows? Okay, for Converge, the modem router that you provided is actually recorded on their system, like the serial number and MAC address. So if you will replace that modem router, even with the same model of a modem router, it won't work because it won't match with the one registered on their system that was assigned to you. The serial number will be different. Then I try to call them and ask if I can buy a powerful modem router. If I'm lucky enough, there is a powerful modem router out there. And ask them if I can use that one on my network and just add the serial number and MAC address on their system or register it on their system. Unfortunately, the agent told me, no, it's not possible. I'm not really sure if you have some contacts inside, but it's a no. Okay? And guys, there you have it. I think I answered the question. I hope I answered the question and you guys learned something from this video. And if you have comment and suggestion, comment down below or message us at JK Chavez on Facebook. We will try to answer as much as we can. And thanks for watching. Watch out for the next question and answer video. I believe that video will be more about do I really need a third-party Wi-Fi router? Okay, stay tuned for that one and have a great day. Stay safe and bye.